Austsaw's timber cutting blades, engineered for extreme performance. The Extreme Wood with Nails range has been engineered for extreme performance, giving up to 6 times the life of standard saw blades. Austsaw's extreme premium European high-density carbide teeth are designed to cut through wood with knots and nails effortlessly. Precision tooth grind for superior tracking and cut quality. Impact-resistant brazing for high-performance tooth bonding. Anti-kickback design with reinforced shoulder for safety and durability on ripping blades. Austssaw's extreme blades feature laser-cut plates made from the finest quality steel with vents for superior noise and vibration absorption. The Extreme range of timber blades also features a corrosion-resistant Pro Shield blade coating for less blade gumming and pitch build-up. Thin kerf design on smaller blades for increased battery life on cordless saws. New timber range by Austsaw, out now. Raider X and Raider timber range also available.